Frightened how one St. Elizabeth resident is feeling this evening after a large cotton tree fell on her house in Lacovia, destroying it. It happened sometime after 2 o'clock this afternoon during a spell of rain and wind. Giovanni Dennis reports.
Frightened a lot.
A downed tree, a downed home, and downed spirits. This is minutes before 6 p.m. Saturday in Lacovia, St. Elizabeth. Nixon Bennett, who lives here, along with 3 family members, was in her bed when this happened just 3 hours earlier.
Feel a little sleeping and so I take a rest now. Say, drop asleep as my body tired, so I lie on the bed now. Getting a little, about 5 minutes, drop asleep. When I'm inside the house, lying on the bed, I just hear the window. A glass window broken down, and then I feel the chest just drop on me. I'm trying to see if I could get the chest off of me, but it was too heavy for me.
Pinned down, she had to get creative to escape.
So I tried to put myself wrinkle up like a worm now, so if I can lift off some of the weight, but I couldn't get off the weight. So I tried to ease up myself and see if I could get somewhere else, like a creep out now to get through the window where break out that I could walk through where the breaking part now come through the door.
Neighbors quickly sprang into action.
When I looked through the window, I saw the tree coming down on the house. But eventually, by the time I take up the rain cloak and come out, I see her right there spinning around. So I called to her. I said, Bella, come this way, come this way. And when me come, I said to her, I'm matter of fact, I'm going to turn back and help him take up some of my clothes and make them wet up.
It's not entirely clear what caused the tree to fall. Residents report it wasn't raining so heavily, although it was windy. What is clear, however, is the enormity of the destruction that happened here today. Although her life was spared, Miss Bennett is shaken. For tonight, Miss Bennett is staying with a friend, but is seeking your help to rebuild.
I need some starter help now to keep me going back on my feet, because I like to be on my own.
If you want to help, you can call 876-422-9190. Reporting from St. Elizabeth, Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.